Hey guys, welcome to the agency school. I'm so excited to have you on board. Thanks for showing trust in me. With this video, I want to help you get started and really make sure that the money that you've invested into in this program really pays off and you're able to create the results that I've promised you, that your agency is going to grow. And I want to help you really create the systems that you need to grow your agency. So to start with, I want to tell you about the training format. We have divided this training into various modules, and each module comprises of training videos in which you will watch videos, you'll know what you have to do, and copy paste templates if applicable. If for example, if we are talking about sales, I'll give you template for sales. If we're talking website, I'll give you template for the website, which you can copy paste. Not really copy paste, but you'll have a framework that you can customize so that you don't have to start anything from scratch. When I tell you that you have to do this, I'll do the initial work for you so that you never start from scratch to save your time. And third, the assignments. Assignments are very important and you don't skip them, because all these assignments are the building blocks of your business. With each assignment, I asked you to do something which will take you towards your eventual goal to grow your agency, to increase number of clients, to retain more clients, and experience the growth that I have been talking about in the webinar and thus far. So there are a few rules that I want you to know about. So the first rule is you have to minimize the distractions. You have to delete social media apps including Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, or any other distraction that might be in your mobile phone. I recommend that you get rid of it at least to the time that until until you're consuming this training, and install newsfeed eradicator for a few weeks. So if you are wondering what newsfeed eradicator is, let me show you what happens if I open Facebook on my account. This is what I see. It doesn't shows anything. Okay, so what newsfeed eradicator does, that it's a plugin that you can simply install. Just search for newsfeed eradicator and install this Chrome extension, and it will block the feed on your Facebook and just show you a quote to keep you motivated. This will help you stay focused on the work and really focus on the program. And by the way, why I want you to do that, I don't have any problem with you using social media to connect with friends or occasionally watch cat videos once in a while. But the bigger problem is Facebook's targeting, because now that you have purchased this program, Facebook knows that you are interested in digital marketing, or maybe it is already bombarding you with other money making sources such as dropshipping, FBAs, other agency training videos. They are big distractions. You will keep seeing how someone else is making millions of dollars, and you will end up distracting yourself from doing from taking care of your business, because most of the programs that you see in your Facebook feed, they are not what they seem. I can just tell you that. So what I want, even if they're the best programs out there, I want, now that you've decided that you have to build your agency, I really want you to focus on it, to at least till the time that you're able to consume the training and apply this training to your business, to your agency, to start growing it. I would hate if you distract yourself with any other program or any other thing except in this world that takes you towards your goal of growing your agency. Okay, so you have to stay focused. That's very important. The other important rules that I need you to know about is watch the same videos again. So when you start consuming the videos, you have to watch them again so that you let them sink in, and really every time you watch the video you learn something else, because I really have compressed all my knowledge and experience into these videos. So the more you watch, the more you learn. Secondly, take notes while watching these videos. I'm sure you already know, if you take notes, if you write something down, you're more likely to remember it and act on it. Third is don't skip assignments. Like I said, assignments are the building blocks of your business. They're not like the assignments that you have done in school. These are the assignments in which you're actually building your business. So don't skip them. It'll defeat the purpose of you joining this program. It won't help you otherwise. Print the assignments after attempting. With each assignment, I give you a docx format which you can download and print. If you have a printer, you can do that. If you don't have a printer, don't buy a printer for that, but it'll help you if you print these assignments. And next is ask questions. You have invested in the program, you have made a big investment in the program. Now it's your responsibility to make maximum out of it. If there's anything that you don't understand, okay, shoot me an email, post it in the Facebook group, raise a ticket, whatever you want to do. Make sure that you ask questions. That's very, very important. One more thing I want you to know, that running this training is not my full-time job. This is not how I make all the money. It is of course one of the ways I make money, but I still put 70% or 80% of my time into running my agency. So when you ask me a question, if you ask my team a question, we might take some time to get back to you, because sometimes we're working on urgent project deliveries. But one thing I can promise you, if you ask a question, you'll get the answer. Okay, I'll make sure that happens. So do make sure that you ask the questions. Don't skip questions. Next, the objective of the training. The objective of this training is not to educate you, but to transform your agency one training session at a time. So don't think that this is that I want to educate you. I'm sure you're a smart person, you're educated, you already know what you have to do. But my objective is to give you steps, exact steps, and because I'm sure if you go to YouTube or somewhere, you can find all the information about growing your agency. The reason you have paid me money and you want me to help you do that is because you think I know the steps and I can help you minimize the mistakes. And I'll reduce this lot of noise around. I want to just give you the exact steps that you need to take. Okay, so my objective is transformation of your agency. Nothing more, nothing less. I want your agency to be more profitable, to be more efficient, and really, really grow. Okay, so that's my objective. With this training, we'll go into each departments of your business and fine tune it. We'll go into marketing, positioning, organizational setup, hiring, lead generation, website sales, project management, so on and so forth. We'll go inside each department and fine tune it. My team and I will build your agency into a machine with moving parts working efficiently to make money for you and provide your clients great results. So I want your agency to work like a machine, or like a factory in which there are workers. Not really workers doesn't sound like a positive term. You have a team, everyone is working hand in hand together to give your clients great results. Everyone knows what they have to do, and everyone is efficient. So that's what my objective is. All right, so a big thanks once again for joining the program, showing trust in me. One thing I can assure you is great transformation. You'll not regret your decision of investing in the program, of joining the agency school. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.